You okay?
Clearly not, as you can see. She's crying because you're all late.
Sorry about that. We've been looking really hard, but we still haven't found them.
I want my mommy and daddy!
There you are! We've been looking all over for you.
I was so worried. You can't just run off like that.
Mommy! Daddy! I'm sorry.
I'm just glad you're safe.
Yes, me too.
I'm glad too. I was so scared. That person with the scary eyes helped look for you. But I was so scared.
Thank you for taking care of our daughter. I apologize if she caused you any sort of trouble.
Oh, no, think nothing of it. I don't think we were of much help anyway.
He's right. We only made her feel lonely and cry.
Not at all. She's safe thanks to you.
Come on now. Say thank you to the spirit and the man with scary eyes.
Did you really need to call me out like that?
Thank you. Bye, Mr. Scary Eyes and Pooka. Tell everyone thanks for me, okay?
You got it. I'll tell Salum and Rem you found your parents. You be careful now. Don't get lost again.
Yeah, I won't.
Well, we'll be on our way now.
Thank you so much for everything.